In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore OneDrive files. If you've accidentally deleted files from your OneDrive and are panicking about lost data, don't worry. I'm here to guide you through a simple step-by-step process to recover those files quickly. First, let's dive into the OneDrive interface. When you log into your OneDrive account, you'll notice a list of options on the left sidebar. These options help you navigate easily between your files, shared documents, recent downloads, and more. But for our task today, we'll be focusing on the recycle bin. The recycle bin is specifically designed to temporarily store files that you've recently deleted, giving you an easy opportunity to restore them if needed. Find the recycle bin icon on the left sidebar and give it a click. This action will direct you to a separate view within OneDrive devoted entirely to managing your deleted files. Think of this as a safety net provided by OneDrive, ensuring that mistakes can be reversed without too much hassle. Inside the recycle bin, you'll see a list of all the files and folders you have removed. This list is typically organized by date, showing the most recently deleted items on top, which makes your search for recent deletions fast and efficient. Now, once you've located the file or folder you wish to recover, hover your mouse over it. You'll see three small dots, often referred to as the More Options menu, appear right beside the item name. Go ahead and click on these dots. This opens a drop-down menu offering several actions you can take on this item. Among these actions, you'll see an option labeled Restore. Clicking on Restore will initiate the process of returning your selected file back to its original location within your OneDrive account. It's a user-friendly and straightforward way to recover files without leaving the comfort of your OneDrive platform. It's important to note that files remain in the recycle bin for up to 30 days, depending on your organization's policy, so it's always a good idea to restore important items before they're permanently erased. If you don't see the file you're looking for, consider checking with your administrator if your organization has a different retention policy. And there you have it. You've successfully restored your file from the recycle bin, demonstrating just how easy it is to recover lost data in OneDrive with just a few clicks. Remember, prevention is also crucial, so consider checking your files before deleting them, and always back up important data to avoid future issues. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks on managing your digital